Hi Victoria. How are you doing?
Adrian. Thanks for asking. I'm doing great. How about you?
Yeah, Victoria. I am fine. But you know I am a bit worried about my garage doors.
I am so sorry. What happened to your garage doors? Is that working fine?
Nope. I am facing some problem with my garage door's spring. I am really looking for a garage door repairing company near Fountain Hills, Arizona.
Really? I can help you out of this problem.
Really? It's great.
I know FHR Garage Door Services offers garage door parts and repair at affordable prices from Fountain Hills, Arizona. Call FHR Garage Doors Repair 602-753-2863 now and get free estimates.
Really?
Yeah, they are expert in garage door repair, broken spring, garage door off track, broken cable, new garage door installations.
Wow. That is really great.
Yeah. FHR provides $20 discount on garage door spring repair services. Call them now.